Boom! At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy. Jimmy.
Now what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning I wanna turn on this. Deck it quick. While the average man looking at it's sad like she fine as it. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like yeah, 5-6. I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stock pick. I know that booty got dropped, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot keys. Strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounces. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thought, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the futures, some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and now I watch moves in the Nasdaq. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, pull the trigger, and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watch watch it, I'm getting big profits. While I'm still in my same big profits. They used to watch me move them packets. Stop. Now I watch moves in the Nasdaq. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, big profits. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? Hey, big profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, big profits.
That TTG money gang,
Hey,
we some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream, and we are here as we are rolling through 2023. 2023, the year of the active opportunists is what we have coined it here for us in 2023. And so far, the opportunities have actually been quite plentiful. We're starting off the 2023 year green for the first 2 trading days of the year. Even though today was a pretty choppy day in the overall market, you got a lot of back and forth, a lot of up and down. Inside day means you are below the prior day's high and above the prior day's low, but still a profitable day for us inside of True Trading Group. Snowflake is where I made my money today. Yesterday was in small caps. Today back into the large caps as Snowflake broke beneath a very key level of support. And I think a lot of that had to do with the downgrade today coming to Microsoft and kind of the web services and cloud areas of the market. And that, I think, is why you saw that breakdown in Snowflake today as well. We made some money on it today. But we have to talk about, first of all, why was the market green today? There was a lot of different pieces of data that came out. You got job openings that were stronger than expected, 10.4 million job openings when the expectation was 10 million. So an extra 400,000 job openings than what were expected. And a lot of people are expecting to see those job openings start to go down now after you get out of the holiday season, and a lot of those part-time jobs really start to disappear and start to go away. And you just had Salesforce today actually announce a layoff of 10% of their workforce. And at the same time, you got a much higher than expected job openings, showing you that that labor market is still extremely strong and extremely tight, even though you are seeing, layoffs in the big mega cap tech space. The jobs market still remains resilient. It still remains strong. Yeah, it's going to soften up as we get into 2023, but it's necessary. It's needed. It has to happen in order for wage inflation to come down, in order to help bring inflation down and get back to a normal, healthy state in the labor market. Right now, the labor market's not healthy. It's extremely strong. It's extremely tight, but it's not necessarily healthy when it comes to how the economy operates and when it comes to wage inflation and bringing down regular inflation and services inflation. Services inflation is where the problem lies. How do you get rid of services inflation? Wage inflation and wage pressures going down would actually really, really help the services inflation number, which is exactly where the problem lies currently in inflation. And speaking of inflation, we are about to get next week another CPI number. We've had back-to-back 2 months in a row of lighter than expected CPI. October's number and November's number were lighter than expected. Next Thursday, so a week and a day from today, you're going to get CPI numbers for the month of December. I, again, expect that number to come in light for the 3rd consecutive month. And I think the markets could actually bounce from that area and from that data. But that bounce sets me up for a much bigger trade that I think is happening this year. What is it? Let's talk about it, how we're going to be making money. What are the economic data points that now come out tomorrow? Could now the data that comes out tomorrow actually continue the crash that we've seen going into the end of 2022? We're going to talk all about that. You're also going to be getting a lot of Fed members who are going to start to be speaking over the next couple of days. These are major market moving events and major market moving catalysts that you need to be well aware of are coming so you can be prepared to take advantage of that volatility. Because at the end of the day, the volatility is our best friend as traders. Whether you day trade or swing trade, volatility is your best friend. That is what allows you the bigger opportunities in order to profit from larger moves in the individual stocks and in the markets themselves. That's why we are coining 2023 the year of the active opportunist, because we're going to take advantage of the volatility in 2023. Same exact playbook that's worked for us in 2022, which is stay short the markets. The bear market is still here. and then switch up briefly for bear market rallies. But once you rally into those bear markets, you look for the bigger trade later down the road of that bear market rally to actually start to fade itself out. Okay, to fade itself out later on in deeper time frames, right? And that's where the bear market continues. That's what we're going to be talking about here today on this live stream. Also, some notes out from the IMF, International Monetary Fund. We'll talk about that as well. So welcome, folks. We got a big live stream in store for you all here today. Welcome. My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, but now the current head trader and co-founder of True Trading Group. If you don't know by now, TTG is the fastest growing and highest rated online premium educational platform available today. So if you're ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you guys have come to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here for free on this YouTube channel with myself, other TTG Pro Trading mods, and also special guests. We'll provide you with market commentary, trade ideas and analysis, and general education and lessons that can help you become better traders and investors immediately. So subscribe to this channel, smash that like button, turn on your notifications. Make sure you guys never miss out on any one of these live streams. But why should you listen to anything it is that we talk about here? Guys, I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. I was trained by professionals. My very first job out of college was working at a fund in New York City. I went through a 3-month educational training program. That's where I learned how to become a trader. I didn't sift through hours and hours of YouTube videos trying to pick through guru after guru to see who actually knows what they're talking about and who's totally full of crap, right? I was able to be trained professionally, and I was very lucky and fortunate that was the journey that I went through. Not everybody is as fortunate as I was, and I recognize that and I realize that I didn't get to where I am today just all by myself. That having that proper education and access to the right tools and being part of the right community of traders is a huge part of my development as a trader and why I'm sitting here in front of you guys all now on this live stream. But what else happened? Well, I was at this fund. 2008 was the Great Recession. It was the stock market crash. It was the worst recession that we've seen, right? 9.5% unemployment in 2009, the foreclosure crisis that took place after the fact, global financial crisis. But during that time period, when everything was, crap was hitting the fan, and you know what? I went on to receive one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Right? Now I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group, and along with my team of 9 other professional trading mods and a staff of well over 20 people, we've helped thousands of traders and investors to learn to trade and profit consistently in this market. We are the fastest growing community out there because we combine university level trading and investing courses. It's a simplified version of what I learned that I worked at the fund in New York. We pair that with premium stock market tools. We do workshops and provide mentorship for stocks, options, crypto, and futures trading for all styles, whether you day trade, swing trade, or if you're just looking for long-term investing. We do all of it inside True Trading Group. You see, we take that university level curriculum and we pair it with $5,000 worth of premium stock market tools. These are tools that successful traders use, gives them more information, helps them make better decisions. So you should use them as well. The problem is if you go to the companies directly like Benzinga, Core Media, Trade Ideas, TradingView, etc., these tools would cost you total about $5,000 a year. It's a lot of money. We spend years building relationships with these companies so we can offer their products on our platform at no additional cost to you. That's how we level the playing field for retail traders and investors, giving you access to the education and the tools that professionals use without it breaking your bank. All right. You're also going to get access to 10,000 of the TTG members, the most helpful, active, supportive, and successful community of traders and investors you're ever going to find. And of course, the real-time trade alerts from myself and the other professional trading mods at TTG that have been able to maintain a cumulative win rate of just around 80% now going on the last 2 years. So again, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, turn on your notifications, make sure that you guys never miss out on any one of these live streams. So like I said, we got a big live stream in store for you guys here today. And the theme of these first couple live streams of 2023 have really been all about what I'm going to be calling the year of the active opportunist. Now, 2022, I coined the year of the active trader. 2022 was the most volatile trading year that I've ever seen in the 17 years that I've been doing this. And it's not just my opinion. It actually was the most volatile year in history on record, where you had more days of greater than 2% moves in the market, whether up or down, than any other year in history. So that by definition makes it the most volatile year ever. That is where people that learned how to make money in a down market, people that learned how to short, people that learned how to buy put options, people that learned about inverse ETFs, people that did anything other than diamond hand hodl to the moon, People that did anything other than that were able to have some of the most profitable years that they've ever had in 2022 and actually offset losses in 401ks and IRAs by actually being in put options, by being short stocks, by making money when the markets went down. So you can then take that money and then reinvest it back into your long-term portfolio and help offset some of the losses in those long-term portfolios. 2023 is going to be a little bit different. 2022 did not give you many opportunities to invest in your long-term portfolio and really build out wealth. It allowed you tremendous income generating opportunities, but not that many long-term investing opportunities. I mean, you had moments where the markets really sold off, but they did not sell off for an extended period of time. You were often followed by vicious snapback bear market rallies as everybody kept thinking that the Fed was going to eventually make their pivot. So you can see every single time you had that downward move, you got a very quick move back up to the upside. Big downward move, very quick move back up there to the upside. And you would have had to have been pretty damn confident and quick to have been investing in the market down in these areas when these moves to the downside happened. Now, we stepped in here and we invested in our long-term portfolio on 2 of these occasions, with our biggest entry being right there on June 17th was the biggest entry that we put into our long-term portfolios. But I still have a lot of cash that is sitting on the sidelines waiting to be deployed in what I believe is going to be the year of true long-term opportunity. You see, I believe that we're going to experience a recession this year. I am in the recession camp. I am not in the soft landing camp, but I am also not in the, severe recession, worse than 2008 camp. I'm not in that camp. I lived through 2008. I was on Wall Street during 2008. You were 48 hours away from going to the bank and them saying, sorry, Jonathan, we don't have your money. That was 2008, my friends. The entire global financial system almost broke. That is not where we are today. We were also starting from a point of a much stronger and much tighter labor market. And it showed itself even today, again, with the job openings, 10.4 million job openings. There is still 1.7 open job positions for every one person looking for a job. There's about 6 million people that are unemployed. There is 10.4 million job openings. Now, are the 10.4 million job openings all the job that those 6 million people want? No, maybe not necessarily. But the point is that number is extremely out of balance. That leaves you with an extremely tight labor market. And as a whole, when you look at the economy, I believe that balance, that buffer, and that tightness in the labor market is the exact thing that's going to prevent the United States from going into a severe recession like you had in 2008 and 2009, when unemployment skyrocketed to 9.5. Unemployment is still 3.7%. That's a hell of a long ways away from 9.5. Now, that number will go up in 2023, but it has to. You're not going to sit here at 3.7% unemployment. The Fed's going to raise rates to 5%. Inflation is going to come back down to 2%. And we're going to sit at 3.7% unemployment. Everything's going to go back to normal. You're entering a new wave of economic cycles. Okay, the free money, interest rates at 0, mega growth stocks trading at ridiculous multiples. That time has passed, and the economy and the stock market is entering a new cycle where valuations and actual profits and net profit and positive free cash flow and dividend payments, where those and cost, being responsible with your costs and your overhead, those things matter in an environment where interest rates rise. It's a reason why you don't see every single stock down 20% like the S&P is. You don't see every single stock down 34% like the Nasdaq is. There's plenty of stocks that are not just at 52-week highs. There are plenty of stocks that are at all-time highs, many of which are the stocks that we added in our long-term portfolio in June. I'll take you for one example. General Mills. Look at this stock chart. Stock is sitting up literally at all-time highs. Pepsi, stock is sitting up there at all-time highs. This is just a handful of the companies that we bought all the way back there in June. And they're all trading higher, and they're all giving you a solid dividend from anywhere between 2 and 8%, depending on what stock it is that you own. You take a look at some of the oil stocks. You take a look at Occidental Petroleum. That's a huge, some of these companies are paying you huge dividends. Take a look at Devon Energy, Pioneer, Exxon with a 4% dividend. I mean, these are the type of stocks that we have in our long-term portfolio. If you're sitting on the Robinhoods of the world, the Zoom videos of the world, the Teledocs of the world, the NIOs of the world, the Rivians of the world, yes, you're down 80, 90%. But there's always a bull market somewhere. And that's why you guys have to really have a better understanding of what's taking place this year rather than just diamond hand to the moon. And stop looking for the next mother of all short squeezes. That is not how you're going to be able to make your money in 2023. I'm calling it the year of the active opportunist because you are going to have, for once in the last several years, a real chance at building a long-term portfolio. The whole concept in building wealth in the stock market is buying low, not buying at all-time highs in 2021 when a company that literally operates at a loss has a $200 billion market cap. 0 cents. When literally 2 years prior, it was a $1 billion market cap. Now it's 200 billion, right? And the company still operates at a loss. That makes no sense. But that's what happened in 2021. It wasn't sustainable. And if you thought that 2021 was the norm, it was a huge wake-up call for you in 2022. It gave you a false sense of reality, a false sense of how the stock market works. It made you think that, oh, I can just go on Reddit and see this person whose name is Mambo Jam's Kitty Cat, or I can go on Twitter and this person has 100,000 followers, so therefore they must know what they're talking about. I'm just going to do everything they tell me to do, which is buy CEI and keep buying it and never sell it because it's going to go to $1,000. Now the stock's at 8 cents or 4 cents. Well, they just did a stock split, but before this, if you take out the stock split, the stock's at like 4 cents. You know, it's like AMC is going to go to 500. The stock's at $4. These are the things that are not, if they did not work for you in 2022, I'm telling you, they're not going to work for you in 2023. The playbook we are rolling out is the exact same playbook that allowed members to make money in 2022, even though the stock market's crashed. You don't have to take my word for it. Members of True Trading Group, very plainly and simply, type the $ right now if you guys made money in 2022. If you're making money and you're becoming better traders, I want you to type the $ in chat right now. Again, if you're not a member, I don't want you to take my word for it because I get my word doesn't really mean anything to you. But these people are your peers. All these people that are about to type the $, they're just like you. They found True Trading Group the exact same way that you did, and that's one of these live streams. They're not smarter than you. They don't have more money. They don't have more time. They don't have more experience. The only thing that they have that you don't is access to a professional level of education, which is what I learned that I worked at the fund in New York. They have access to $5,000 worth of the top premium tools that the industry has to offer that helps them make better decisions. And they're part of a community of 10,500 traders that actually give a damn whether they succeed or fail and are there to help them along their journey. Everyone has their own journey. Don't compare yourself to other people. That's the difference. These people learned how to make money when the stock market goes down. And I'm telling you now, if you are not able to make money when this market goes down, you are once again going to have a very difficult time in 2023. And I'll tell you exactly what's going to happen to you in 2023. The stock market's going to start to go down. You're going to hold and hold and hold until eventually you're going to get to a point where the media is going to scare the crap out of you. And the media is going to tell you that recession may be more like depression. And you're finally going to say, the hell with this. I'm down too much money. I'm going to sell everything before I lose it all because you're going to think the stock market's going to go to zero, and it's not. But that's exactly what's going to take place. You're going to get to a point of maximum pain. You're going to cut bait. You're going to sell everything. And 1 year later, the stock market's going to be 20% higher than where you sold everything. It happens every single stock market crash. Every single crash is an absolute cycle, and it repeats itself. The reasons why the markets crash or rally or whatever it is, those reasons change. But the price action and the cycles that a market goes through repeat themselves over and over and over again. You go back to 2008. I'll take you guys back to my charts just for one quick brief second. You go back to 2008. What happened when we had a recession in 2008? Well, the market, we were coming off a raging bull market, right? For several years, the market was going to the upside. And then we had a recession in 2008. And then the markets crashed going into the recession. And then the market made a fresh new low the very next year. And then a new bull market ensued. That was 2008, 2009, which was the worst recession that we have ever had. You saw the crash in 2002. The markets made new fresh lows in 2009. And then the market bottom was put in. The markets moved back to the upside. You go all the way back to the dot-com bubble. The dot-com bubble, what happened? We were coming off a raging bull market going into the dot-com era. Then what happened? The recession came, the stock market crashed in 2001. You got continuation to the downside in 2002. And then the market experienced a new raging bull market for the next several years. It is the exact same price action, okay, that happened in 2008. Recession, follow through the next year, new bull market. Now you're coming into here 2022. The market's broke. You got the crash of 2022. Everyone's scared of the recession. I believe 2023, you get the follow through to the downside. And then once that market resets and the recession happens, then you go into the next round of the bull market. And markets go through cycles. You go through bear markets, you go through bull markets. All bear markets and recessions are valuation resets. And the valuation reset that you're about to get in 2023 is for the first time in many of yours investing careers, because many people that are on this live stream only got involved in the stock market over the last 2 years. Literally, I bet you there's more than half the people on this live stream only got involved in the stock market because of AMC or GME or Dogecoin or SHIB or whatever it is, or Bitcoin got your attention somehow, whatever it is. Or COVID, being home and all this extra time is the only reason why some people got involved in the stock market. So you actually, if you're one of those people, you've never had an experience where stocks were at realistic, sometimes even depressed valuations, where you actually for once in your investing career can say, wow, that stock is cheap. Wow, that stock is on sale. You may not know it at the time because it doesn't feel good when stocks go down, but that's when you make your money. The very famous quote is, people make their money in a bear market. They just don't know it at the time, because that's the whole concept of you building wealth in the stock market, is buying low and eventually selling high. So last year was all about trading actively. This year is all about trade actively the volatility. But when that dust settles, and I assure you that dust is going to settle, you're going to be left with tremendous wealth building opportunities in your long-term portfolio, which is why I still have cash sitting on the sideline, waiting, drooling, foaming at the mouth for opportunities to invest in what I believe are going to be the next round of unicorns. The next round of unicorns. What does that mean? The next round of companies and stocks that I believe are going to give me the 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000% gains over the next 3, 5, 7, 10 years. How many people on this live stream would say, I wish I bought Apple in 2002. I wish I bought Alphabet in 2008. I wish I bought Amazon in 2009. I wish I bought Microsoft in 2003. I wish. Or, oh, I wish I never sold Amazon in 2010. I wish I never sold Apple in 2007. I wish. Stop wishing, because you're literally going to get another opportunity right now. Everybody likes to look back at charts and say, oh, wow, man, if I just bought during that time. But you never think that when the time is actually there. Why is that? Because opportunity in the stock market feels terrible. When there is real opportunity in the stock market from valuation perspectives, it feels horrible. That's why you don't do it. That's why every single person looks back and says, I wish. Well, were you alive and breathing during that time? Yes. Did you have money at that time? Yes. Did you have a 401k or an IRA or a brokerage account? Yes. So why didn't you do it? I'll tell you why I didn't do it. Because it felt terrible. And everybody thinks that when stocks go down, it's a bad time to invest in the stock market. Wrong. It's only a bad time to be in the stock market if you're in from 2021, when I was selling in our long-term portfolio. Go back and watch the live stream, September, October, November, December of 2021, right here on this YouTube channel, almost on a daily basis. I was telling people, I'm selling my long-term portfolio. September and October, I sold for the first time in 10 years because those valuations made no sense whatsoever. Now I'm able to buy back literally the exact same companies at insanely lower prices and insanely lower valuations. And that's the whole concept. That's why we're in this game. That's how the stock market works. Prices go up, prices go down. Ideally, you want to buy when they're down and you want to sell when they're up. That's how this whole game works. But the psychology of retail investors doesn't allow them to act that way. They say the stock market's crashing. It's a bad time to be in the market. Then the market goes back to all-time highs and they go, oh, man, the market's doing great. I better put some money into the market. What? It's already at all-time highs. You're doing the exact opposite. That's how so many people got smoked after the dot-com bubble and then going into 07 and 09. It was literally how so many people got smoked because this market's crashed after the dot-com bubble. Everybody got killed. They were like, oh, I'm not investing in the market. Then the markets went back to all-time highs in 2007. And they're like, oh, the market's at all-time highs. It must be a good time to invest in the markets. I can make back everything I lost on the dot-com bubble. I'm going to put my money into the market in 2007. Then what happened? 2008, 2009, they lost everything again. And everyone says, oh, you know what? That's it. I'm done with this market. I'm done with this stock market stuff. It's a scam. It's only for rich people. And then you missed out on the greatest bull market in history, which is what happened after 2009 when the markets bottomed. It's the biggest bull market in history. Just take a look at the chart. Don't take my word for it. That's the wealth that you've missed. That's what you've missed. You're going to have another chance. If I'm right, you're going to have another chance this year, as I believe this market is going to break the October lows. I do not believe these lows are going to hold this year. I do believe that we are going to break this low and we are going to trade deeper down into this region. And that, my friends, is where I'm going to be loading up in my long-term portfolio. And then I'll look back 2 years from now and the markets, I think, are back up here. That's the reality of the situation. Okay? That's why this is the year of the active opportunist. Okay? That's why I'm calling it the year of the active opportunist, because I believe that you are finally going to get a chance. Not right now. I'm not saying, hey, let's go in and start buying everything right now. I'm not telling you to buy everything right now. I'm not buying everything right now. Okay? I'm not buying everything right now. Okay, I'll show you exactly where I invested. The chunk of my money, the biggest chunk of money that I put into the market was right there on June 17th. Okay, now I still have money that's sitting on the sidelines. Okay, and again, I'll show you exactly where I plan on putting that money to work. Right there. Right there is where I plan on putting this next round of money to work in this region. All right. And it's a beautiful support level. It's such a great support level. I mean, look at from a technical standpoint. From a technical standpoint, look at this support that you have here. Look at that double bottom right there. Look at this previous pivot top. I mean, it's such a beautiful technical level for us to just get down to. Just drop down into this zone, let the recession happen, let the market stabilize, and then you can start to look at the recovery. But the stocks that you buy will matter. This is not going to be a rising tide lifts all boats like you had in 2021 when interest rates were zero. That's not what this new market is going to be. Interest rates are not zero. Money is not free. Valuation matters. Okay. Positive free cash flow matters. Dividends matter. Cost controls matter. CapEx spending matters. These things matter now. So you can't just go about your day by just going and buying the next Rivian IPO and then find yourself down 90% a year later. The companies that you buy will matter. And members of True Trading are going to be getting my shopping list here in the next couple of days. And again, I'm not in a rush because I'm not buying these companies right now. Okay, I'm not buying these companies right now. It's, you have some time before I think that those buying opportunities really start to show themselves this year. But I'm ready for it, and I'm going to trade actively, and we're going to be trading put options. We're going to be shorting stocks. That's what I did today. I shorted Snowflake. One of our other moderators, you guys met our brand new moderator last night, Shai Martin. Her and I were actually in the exact same trade today. I shorted the stock itself. She bought put options. It was actually a 40% gain on the put option today for Snowflake. So some members followed me just shorting the stock itself. Some other members followed her buying the put option. And it was a beautiful trade for us. And we're starting off the year of 2023, 2 for 2, meaning 2 days, 2 green days here inside True Trading Group. And we're going to continue that, trading the volatility, stacking up that cash to roll it into the long-term portfolio when the opportunities present themselves. That's why it's the year of the active opportunist. Okay. So folks, welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. Like I said, we got a lot to talk about here. I want to make sure that everybody that's on this live stream right now, I hope you all are aware about what we are doing this Friday with the trial. Okay. So we have a trial membership. It's seven trading days, but every trial member that joins between now and Friday has a chance at winning $1,000 on Friday. So Friday's live stream, we are going to give away $1,000 to one trial member. All you need to do to be included in that potential giveaway is go to TTGTHREE.com, enter your name and email, sign up for the trial. You'll be prompted to fill out an application. It's $3. We charge $3 just to make sure you are a real person. So we don't have a bunch of people come into our chat and spam our chat. Our chat room is extremely high quality and controlled. We are all focused on making money inside of our chat. I don't want people coming in there and dirtying it up. So we want to make sure that you are an actual real person. That's the only reason we charge $3. There's no automatic upgrade. There's no automatic renewal. There's no recurring payment. It's literally one payment of $3. You also get access to our platform for 7 days. Weekends don't count. It's 7 full trading days. And you will have a chance at winning $1,000 on Friday. Every trial member that joins between now and Friday has a chance at winning the $1,000. We're going to do a live stream on Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern. So I'll be live right here on this YouTube channel at 3 p.m. Every person that signs up for the trial between now and then, their name will go on a wheel. We will spin that wheel live on YouTube, and the winner will get a free $1,000. Okay? So want to make sure everybody on this live stream is aware of that. So if you guys have ever been interested in True Trading Group, you might as well join the trial, see what the platform is like, and give yourself a chance at a free $1,000. Who couldn't use a free $1,000? We're going to do that for our trial members Friday on the live stream. Okay, so again, that's TTGTHREE.com. Sign up for the trial. You guys have a chance at $1,000. Okay? Get it? Got it? Good. Now, before I move on to my next topic, I actually want to bring on my business partner and co-founder of True Trading Group real quick to help me go over some important new updates for you guys. Everybody give a big warm ayo to Adam.
What's going on, guys? How's everyone doing tonight?
Excellent. I love when you have the glasses,
like glasses?
On, the Superman glasses. Yeah.
Excellent. All right. First off, in order to see if we're able to do something or not, okay, what I would like to know is if you are not, and Joe, see if you can keep up. If you are not a TTG member, or you're a previous TTG member, and you have been wanting or considering getting started with True Trading Group, type the number 2 in chat. Not a TTG member, or you're a previous TTG member and want to start with TTG, type the number 2 in chat. If you've been coming on these streams, let me see. Blake Martin.
Yeah, so go ahead, guys. Type the number 2 if you're not members of True Trading Group or if you're a previous member.
Donovan Hubel, Mere Mortal, Nick G, Rose Q. Blake Martin is a previous member. All right. Been on the streams 3 or 4 times. Pit Stop Motor Racing 2, Kenya Harris, Massimo. Massimo, I feel like, is a previous member. Nick G has never been a member yet.
I think Massimo was a trial once before. I'm not sure.
Red Corp says 69. It's awesome. 2 was a trial member maybe a year ago. Oh, nice, J. Remy.
Nice, Remy.
All right. Yep, Joe, I can see it. All right. How many of you that are on here right now have a very good idea of what you get as a full True Trading Group member? If you have a good idea of what you, or let me ask it differently. if you do not know what you get as a True Trading Group member, type the number 1 if you do not know what you get. I mean, I know that you could assume courses and chat room and alerts, but if you don't know anything else after that, type the number 1.
And make sure you guys, this is actually important, what Adam and I are about to talk to you guys about. This is not, just...
this is not like some, I really am relying on this information to move, to see if we can move to the next part of this. If not, no big deal.
Yeah, this is not just part of like a sales pitch. Just please participate and actually answer this question. If you guys answer it properly, it'll help us you'll see where we're going with this.
Okay, so... All right, so most people that are on here know what you get with a True Trading Group membership. Okay? You are right. Donovan Hubble does not. Momo does not. I feel like there's a couple people that are delayed on here. Because you saw the other numbers come in late.
Yeah.
All right. So here's what we're gonna do. True Trading Group is an entire trading and educational platform, right? Mike, briefly, and I mean briefly, don't drag it up, like briefly, go ahead and explain what you get with True Trading Group. Sum it up.
Yeah, guys, honestly, True Trading Group is not just a Discord and you're just going to get a bunch of trade alerts because I'm the world's most amazing trader.
We're not a Discord at all.
Yeah, that's not what True Trading Group is. True Trading Group is an entire platform for traders where you're getting education, which is just like what I learned when I worked at the fund in New York. You're also going to get access to all of the industry's top tools. So like with your membership on our platform at no additional cost to you, you don't pay extra for it. You get all of the industry's top trading tools. You get analyst ratings, insider buying and selling notifications, dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, trading journals, social sentiment scanners, the trade ideas scanner, trading views charts, Benzinga Pro's news feed. All of these things are part of the platform. So when you join our platform, you get access to all of those things. Okay. It is not just, I'm just going to come into this Discord and see what people tell me to buy and sell. Okay. We tell you what we're buying and selling, obviously, but there's a hell of a lot more. It's an entire platform that really levels the playing field for you guys.
Okay, so with that said, here is what we're gonna do. We told you the price was going up, and the price is up. All right, the price is up right now. But what we are doing is we're gonna. So here's the thing. Tonight is the first night we are going to test something new with anybody that's been on, with anybody that wants to be involved with True Trading Group. We are going to test something new tonight. All right. One of the big things is, so before we do that, now let's see how many people are on here that are not members. It's like 18% of people on here right now are not members is what I'm seeing, but go ahead and type TTG in chat if you're not a member. Let's see.
Yeah, guys, just type the letters TTG if you're not a member. Again, please participate in this. This is going to help us decide what we're doing here. You'll see where we're going with this. If you're not a member, guys, please type TTG in chat real quick. We got Russell, Blake, Smooth Operator, Balls, Kenneth, Rose, Eagle, Donovan, Pitstop, Andy, Caden, Mir, We Power Us. Welcome back, We Power Us. I said you've only been to like 3 or 4 streams, so welcome back. Massimo, Kenya, RS, Johnny, So, Edmund, Tracy, Regina, Francisco, beautiful. Thank you guys for helping us out.
Yeah, guys, honestly, thank you for participating. I know it's silly, but
I know you guys might think it's silly, but this actually is helping. You'll see where we're going with this. Gilbert, Alexis, Green Photography, Nesta, Jim. All right, so see, you have a lot more people now. Thank you guys. I know I just kind of asked you to participate, and you guys are showing up and helping us out here. Thank you. I appreciate that.
All right, so here's what we want to do. The cost of True Trading Group normally is $22.12. It hasn't been $22.12 for a while. We have walked the price all the way back up, and what we want to do tonight, and it's going to be limited to people that are on the stream that want to do it now. Okay. So we did two things. First of all, the price of a True Trading Group membership right now, if you go to the website, is $1,307 when you enter coupon code TTG121. That is a 40% off of your membership. Okay? That's 40% off. It was $1,000 yesterday. We told you guys that we were moving the price up, and we told you we were going to a two-pay system. Here's where the two-pay system comes in. But we're gonna test the two-pay system right now. So test it, meaning we're gonna let a handful of people in on it. And here's how it works. We will allow how many. Type the number 1 if you would be interested. Or I'm sorry, type the number 8 if you would be interested in getting started with True Trading Group for $800. Type the number 8 if you would be interested in getting started with True Trading Group for $800.
Again, guys, please participate in this so we can get an idea if this is something that we can offer here tonight.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. We have implemented a new two-pay system, okay? So what I am going to do is this. We are testing it out. Here's what we're going to do. We will allow 10 people to get started with $800 tonight. In 6 months, you will pay another $800. So it'll be $1,600 for the year. But you'll get started for $800, and then in 6 months you do another $800. That is what it is. And the second $800 is not an auto charge. We will contact you in advance, send you an invoice, pay the balance, and then you're good.
Yeah. It's not an auto pay. That's
not an auto debit.
Right. So you guys can get started. You'll have access to the entire platform. It's not a limited,
no limits.
Access for $800 today. We are trying this out and seeing if this works. Okay. $800 today. 6 months from now, it is not auto pay. We will be contacting you, letting you know that, hey, you're coming up. We'll send you an invoice. We'll manually transact that second payment. But you guys can get started today with the entire platform to True Trading Group and get yourselves ready and prepared for 2023 for just the $800.
Type the number 8 if this is something that you'd want to do. We only want to do 10 people and then cut it off. And then we want to assess it for like a while.
So if this is something you guys would do, and again, please participate so we have an idea. We're trying to do what you guys just type the number 8 if this is something you guys would want to do.
All right. So here's what we're going to do. I am going to give out, can we do a full year? Yes, you can do a full year. You could do a full year. Oh, for 800? No, you cannot. Nope.
I mean, listen, if you guys, if they want to do that, man, if they want to make that second payment earlier for a lesser number, we could work with people on it. But
yeah, I would consider that as well. Again, you're going to be the first 10 people in, so we would obviously work with you.
Yeah. So guys, so it's going to be.
That's why it's hold on. That's why it's not an auto. That's not it. That's why it's not a automatic renewal for
right.
it.
It's not an automatic charge. Would manually have to transact that second payment. But if you wanted to pay the balance off earlier than 6 months, and we give you a big discount for it, sure. We're trying this out.
Yeah, look, if this doesn't work, then that's fine. Then the bottom line is we'll just keep raising the price up. People are signing up for it anyways.
Right.
We're trying to see if this works for people.
Right. We're trying to make it still the entry affordable for people that want access to this. So this is a solution that we have come up with. So you guys can get started for the whole entire platform for literally just the $800. I mean, and then you can worry about it 6 months later. Worry about it 6 months from now. Hopefully by then you've made $800.
Yeah,
in your
probably.
trade.
I mean, most TTG members make their membership fee, and I know
that's actually that's a great question. Listen, for the people that are on here, that for all of you that said that you're not a member and you type TTG, let's do something real quick. Because if you can join today for $800, right? Let's see how many members, the members that are on of True Trading Group right here, how long did it take you guys to make back your membership fee? Now, all the people that are on this live stream that are members, they all paid well over $1,000 for their membership. So keep that in mind. You have people on this live stream that paid $1,300, $1,200. Nobody on this live stream paid $800. So members of True Trading Group, how long did it take you to make back your membership? Let's see. Now, everyone that typed TTG earlier, let's pay attention to some of these comments. So now, members of TTG, you tell me, how long did it take you to make your membership fee back? Let's see. 2 days. 5 days. Diane started with a $100 account. It took her 3 to 4 months to make back $1,350. 3 to 4 months. Within a week, my first week, 1 month, less than 30 days, 3 months, 2 to 3 weeks, 3 days. I'm very new. I made $5,000 in the first 4 weeks of my membership. 2 days, 6 months, 2 months, 30 days. I've been a member for 2 weeks and I'm halfway there. I paid over $1,200. I made it back in less than 2 months. 3 months, but I work full time. Still impressive, Susie. I'm a very conservative trader. I started out with $100. It took me 8 to 9 months to make $1,200. 1 month. Okay, so there you guys go. There's one person that said more than 6 months, and they started with only a $100 account and are an extremely conservative trader. Everybody else, 3 to 4 months, all the way down to just a couple of days. So you have a chance right now. What we're telling you is you can join the platform today for $800. 6 months from now, you'll owe another $800. It is not auto. We will contact you directly and manually process that payment. It's not just going to automatically charge you. And if you want to pay that off sooner than the 6 months, maybe your first 2 months or 3 months as a member, you kill it. And you're like, hey, guys, I want to pay off my balance. We're not going to charge you the $800. You want to pay it off early? We'll give you a big discount. Okay? To just pay it off early. And that's how you guys can get started with True Trading Group for 2023. At a much lower barrier to entry for people that want to get themselves started with this platform.
So go to ttgoffer.com. You have to put in coupon code TTG8002. This is only going to be for the first 10 people that do it. After you put in that coupon code, it will underneath, Joe, I don't know if you can zoom in. Yeah, there you go. Includes a 27% discount for a total of $1,600, and everything listed on this page with $800 down today and $800 in 6 months. This will only work for the first 10 people.
Yeah, we're going to try this out, guys. This is going to be our test for the to see if to get people in here at that. We've never given away access for $800. So this is the first time that it's ever that cheap for you guys to get started. So we're going to try this out for the first 10 people. So again, go to ttgoffer.com, enter the coupon code TTG8002. That is TTG8002. And you guys can get started with access to the entire platform for just $800.
if you don't, and for whatever reason you don't want to do that, and you want to save $500, if you want to save $300, you can use coupon code TTG121, and that will bring the price down to $1,307, and you just make a one-time payment, and you'll save a bunch of money doing the one-time payment. So we're going to give you the option, but only the first 10 people will be able to do the 2-pay tonight.
Yeah.
And then what's going to happen is, just like we said it would, this price is going to continue to move up. Okay? We've been very vocal about that. We've given a lot of chances. It's going to continue to move up. This is how we're doing it.
Yep.
So don't sleep on this. There's a lot of people that come on here that are not members. We do accept PayPal credit. We're giving you the opportunity to get started for $800 tonight.
Yeah, you could do PayPal credit, which is interest-free for 6 months.
Yep.
So we do accept PayPal credit if you guys wanted to do PayPal credit, interest-free for 6 months.
Yep.
All right. Look at some of these comments. The last unicorn says, if you want to trade and are willing to do the education, the only thing stopping you from making money is you. Trisha Hopkins says, y'all, this is an amazing deal. Most of us work full time, and I lost so much money not knowing how to trade. TTG saved me. How much would you, Reaper Trade says, how much would you pay for a college education to make a capped salary? With this, you put in the work and have a family of traders that help along the way. No trader left behind. Amen. Memphis Street.
Yeah, use coupon code TTG8002.
I love Scotty G. Scotty G goes, if I can make profits, you can too. No joke. It's real. Scotty G.
TTG8002. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, perfect.
All right, let me actually go through. Let me, talk to you guys about maybe what you're actually getting when you sign up for that $800 with the $800 here today, because you're getting access to the entire platform. It's not a limited membership. Okay. You're getting all of our courses, which is a simplified version of the educational program I went through when I worked at the fund. Joe, maybe you can post the link up in chat. You guys can see for yourself exactly the list of all of the courses that you'll have access to. But then you're also going to be getting all those tools. So remember, the platform to True Trading Group, it includes Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed. That's over $1,000 if you go to Benzinga. So the day you join today.
Real quick, Nick G says, if you pay it off early, how much do you save? At least 50% off. Or, yeah. Like an additional 40 or 50% off.
Right. So, Nick, you would owe $800, right? You want to pay it off early? $400 is what Adam is saying.
Right.
All right. So again, you're going to access that Benzinga newsfeed literally starting today. If you guys sign up here today, you're going to get Trading Views premium charting software. That's like $600 a year. This is all included with your membership, and you pay $800. So just Benzinga is $1,000. Trading Views $600. That's $1,600 right there for those two tools. They're included with your membership. You can get started for $800. You get Quote Media's full book level 2. You get unusual options activity, options flow, and dark pool data. You get a trade ideas scanner, which is the industry standard. That's several $100s a year. You get a simulator from ETNA that's just under $1,000 if you were to go to ETNA directly. It's included with your membership. You guys get access to a trading journal, a social sentiment scanner, analyst ratings, insider buying, insider selling, all the short data. All that's included with your platform. There are no upsells for courses, and there are no upsells for those tools. Those tools and the courses are all included when you join here today for just the $800. You got to go to ttgoffer.com, enter the coupon code TTG8002, click apply code. The price will drop to $800, and you guys can sign up right now and get started for the $800. Okay. You're also going to be getting access, guys, to our video library. The video library has about 400 hours worth of workshops and webinars that we've conducted with members. We actually have another Trader Palooza event that's actually coming up on January 28th, which is a 12-hour long all-day workshop with all the moderators and I. That's going to be a hell of a lot of fun. I can't wait for that. January 28th. Mark that down in your calendars. TTG fam, get your tickets. But you guys have access to that entire platform. The courses and the tools are all included when you guys start here today for $800. So again, go to ttgoffer.com, TTG8002. Click apply code. You guys are good to go. If anybody has questions, I'm sure maybe some people on here have questions. If you have questions, send us a text message. Seriously, we're testing this out today for the first 10 people. Send us a text message to 786-505-4049. Again, the phone number, it's right at the bottom of your screen. 786-505-4049. Send us that text message right now if you guys have any questions whatsoever about this platform.
Anyone that signs up today, all new annual members are entered into a giveaway to win $2,000 on the live stream on Friday.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
So there's that. Oh, yeah, you are.
And you guys don't forget, you also get the double your money back guarantee as well. So you guys will join True Trading Group. If you go through our courses, pass our quizzes, and attend one study group, and can make back your membership fee at least once during your membership, we give you back double your money. So if you guys go through and you pay the $800 and the $800, you can't make back the $1,600, we'll give you guys back double your money. So you guys will be getting back $3,200. Or if you pay the $800, let's say you want to pay off your balance early, maybe it's $400 and you pay $1,200. If you can't make back the $1,200 at least once, we'll give you back $2,400. That is the double your money back guarantee that you get when you join True Trading Group. You guys get all that as well. So again, TTG.
We gotta welcome Raphael. Raphael just decided to sign up for the two-pay system.
That's excellent. So Raphael, you are our first member that's on the two-pay system. Brother, we are going to work with you and we'll communicate with you during those first 6 months. If you want to pay it off early, you just let us know. We're going to work with you. The first 10 people that do this, guys, we are going to work with you. So if you have ever wanted to join True Trading Group and the $1,200 or $1,100 was just too much for you to swing, you can start now for $800. And I'm telling you now, we'll work with you guys for those first 6 months to make this work. We're trying this out for the first 10 people. Raphael's the first one. That means there are 9 of these available for the next 9 people to go to ttgoffer.com and use the coupon code TTG8002. Remember, that second payment is not on auto renew. It is not on auto pay. We will communicate with you and how we will have to manually transact that. So ttgoffer.com, TTG8002, coupon code. Raphael, welcome to the family.
Yeah, and also you're still getting the laptop, the one-on-one, you're getting all of those things as well. It's just when you pay the second payment.
Awesome. Look at that. Ludacris says, I'm a lifetime member now. I never thought I'd have the money to join Lifetime. TTG made it possible. It's awesome. It's absolutely awesome.
So, Raphael, smart move, brother. We're testing it out. Look, we're super flexible with people. It's our, we're seeing if this works, right? So it's $800. Worst case scenario, you have a double your money back guarantee.
Yeah, right. Worst case scenario, you guys have a double your money back guarantee. All right. So there we have that. And again, if you have questions, send us that text message, 786-505-4049. All right, folks, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to roll on over to Snowflake. All right, so this is the trade where we made some money today. Actually, so 2 of our moderators went after this trade today, myself and Shy Martin. Shy Martin is the newest moderator of the TTG family. She started out as an annual member of True Trading Group, is now a full-time trader, retired military. Thank you for your service, Shy. We love you. She traded the option. I went after the stock itself. Let's talk about the trade. Snowflake today. Now, big support level down here at 134, right? 133 to 134. You guys can see this very clearly on my screen. Support, 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 right? Everybody sees that support level, okay? Now, what you also do notice is that yesterday, okay, huge red day yesterday. Stock really got hit yesterday pretty hard, right? Big red day yesterday. And then today you come in and there's a downgrade. I think it was UBS downgraded Microsoft, and they highlighted the web services and, you know, software services and all that. Well, software, that's Snowflake's wheelhouse. And that weakness, the Microsoft downgrade and the report around software rolled over into Snowflake. And that, I think, is where that weakness today came from in Snowflake. And we broke underneath this level. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this line actually up on my screen. So this line right here, the support level, you all can see the support level very clearly. Okay, I'm going to leave this line there. I'm going to go to an intraday chart, to the 3-minute chart. We're going to take a look at this. Okay, we're going to take a look at this. Well, there's that level, right? There's that line that I drew right across the screen, right? So there it is. So what we did today, we saw the stock broke underneath that support level, okay, with their nice heavy volume on that sell, broke through that major support level. So now you guys can see the support that's there, right? There it is. It was the last couple of days. So as we zoom in, you see that, okay, that level was broken. As soon as that level gets broken, okay, as soon as that level breaks, we come on the microphone, Shai and I, and say, all right, guys, I'm looking for a bounce back up towards that resistance, that 133 to 134 area. I'm looking for bounce into that area, and then we're going to get short. Now we're going to get short against this line. And then what happens? We start to get this little bit of a bounce. We have to welcome Andy. Andy is the newest member of the TTG family. There are now 8 spots left to get started for just $800. Guys, again, you can start for $800 right here now today. You'll get the free laptop, you get the one-on-one, you get the double your money back guarantee. We are flexible with the next 8 people that want to join. Okay, we are flexible. If you've thought about joining True Trading Group in the past, but you couldn't swing the 1,100 or the 1,200, you can do it now for $800. You'll owe us that second payment 6 months from now. Okay, but give yourself a start. Get started. Okay, by 6 months from now, you might have made that $800 back. Okay, and if you guys don't make back your membership fee at least once during that membership, you guys will get double your money back. I stand behind this platform. Okay, I'm not, you know, I know I come on here and I talk a big game on these live streams, folks, but that's because I see the results that members have. I see the results that members have. And that's why I'm willing to say to you that, hey guys, if you want to go through this, as long as you go through our courses, if you pass the quizzes, if you attend one study group, utilize the platform you're subscribing to, go through the education, really give yourself the chance. If you can make your membership fee back at least once, I'll give you double your money back. And you can keep the free laptop. The laptop you'll get, you don't have to enter your address when you sign up. You'll get a welcome email after you join with instructions how to claim that free laptop. All right, you'll get instructions after you join how to claim that free laptop. Okay, so welcome, Andy. 8 spots left. Now, you get this bounce back now on Snowflake, and there, oops, well, I don't want to show you that candle yet. You get this bounce back right up into this zone, and I go ahead and I put my order out here, right? And why am I having my order out right in here? My order's out right in here. Why? Okay, because you have my VWAP indicator, this orange line, this teal blue line, which is my 9 exponential moving average, right, coming up. And then here's that resistance level, right? This is that level that was previously support. Again, I'll go to the daily chart to show it to you. There it is. You see that level, right? That's that line. Okay, so if that's that line, I'm going to get short in front of it. And I have my trade line. I have my VWAP indicator, all right? That's all acting as resistance. And I have the 50 Fibonacci level that is sitting up there at that 134 and the 38.2 Fibonacci level that's sitting in here in line with these areas. I'm going to go to a minute chart just to show you the price action. I don't trade on 1 minute charts, but I'm just going to go here to show you the price action, right? So there's the break. And then now here comes the bounce and there's the bounce, right? So here, this is a 1 minute chart. There's the bounce up into that zone. Okay, I got a partial fill on my first order. I just had a limit order out. I get a partial fill on my first order, and then I marketed in the balance of my order. Okay. How will you know if you are one of the 8 that are left, folks? It's very simple. If you put in the coupon code TTG8002, if it accepts the code, then you're good. Check out. So you see on the screen, TTG8002. If it accepts the code and then it says 800, that's how you know. That's how you know you're one of the 8 remaining spots. Okay, so again, TTG8002, apply code. If it accepts it, that's how you know that you are one of the 8. So even if you're watching this, even if you're watching this later on tonight, as long as you see that, that's how you guys know that you're one of the spots for the 800. Okay. So there's the entry. All right. The initial entry, my initial fill was over 132, but it was a partial fill. So then, the stock started to move to the downside. So I just market ordered in the rest of my position. And I got my average cost on the short was just under 132. And then bang, stock rolls over. Bloop. Stock rolls over, right? And trade back to the downside. And there you guys can see a stock rolling over, and we just ripped profits off the table. And it was a beautiful trade for us inside True Trading Group. I believe I shorted the stock itself, like I said, but Shai Martin, one of our moderators, I believe about 40% gain on the bulk position, about 40% gain on the bulk position there. If for those of you that follow the put option trade, and that's the whole premise behind it, right? I'll go back to a 3-minute chart now. Let me delete all the noise, and just kind of go back. And again, it all comes back, guys, to breaking. Oops, that's not an indicator that I would ever use. It's all about breaking beneath this support level, right? This support level right on the daily chart. All right, you guys can see it clear can be. Bang, 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 bang. You see that support level. Once that level got broken today, I said, all right, we broke through that level with strong volume. There's a catalyst with some weakness because of the negative note in the cloud space and software space. So on that bounce, we got that bounce. If this is my stop area, and that literally was my stop. My stop was right here. So I'll draw this red line was my stop loss. Okay. So the white line was the level that broke. The red line was my stop loss. And right there is my entry. Okay, for the short. All right. And it just rolled over. And then you start ripping the profits off the table for a nice little 2-to-1 trade. All right. So there you guys have it. All right. That was the trade for me today. I only traded that in the morning. I actually had a doctor's appointment later in the day. So I only made that one trade there in the morning, which all I needed was a beautiful trade. And it is in the books. And tomorrow is going to be a big day for the markets. Tomorrow is going to be a big day for the markets because you have some data coming out tomorrow that I want to make sure that you guys all understand. All right, I want to make sure you guys all understand about the data that we have coming out tomorrow. So here's what we got going on tomorrow. All right. Tomorrow, economic data. This in the morning, ADP employment report. You're getting a ton of jobs and for jobs numbers tomorrow. ADP employment report. Okay. Jet Trades. I see you are in chat. Jet Trades. I don't know if you heard me earlier today, brother, but Adam and I got your message. I just want to say thank you. Jet Trades. I see that you're in chat. I don't know if you heard us in the regular trading chat room in the main chat room. I see you here on YouTube. But Adam and I got your message, Jet, and I just want to say thank you, man. I really did appreciate your message very, very much. You're a hell of a dude, stand-up guy, and I wish every single person was like you. So I just want to say thank you, Jet. All right, so tomorrow morning, okay, you've got the ADP employment report, okay? Then you've got initial jobless claims and continuing jobless claims. That's all. The initial and continuing jobless claims are at 8:30. Okay. Those are going to be important numbers. You got the JOLTS number today, which was the 10.4 million open jobs versus the 10 million expected, which still shows that the labor market is still extremely tight. So you're going to want to see what those numbers come in at 8:30. They will move the market. And then at 9:45, you have the final U.S. services PMI number for the month of December, which is expected to come in at around 44.4. Okay, 44.4. Now, what's interesting about the initial jobless claims is that the initial jobless claims are actually expected to go down from the previous month. So last month was 225,000. Expectation is 223,000. All right, so we got to see what those numbers come in at for the initial jobless claims, the continuing jobless claims. And then at 9:45 is the PMI number that will move markets. And then you've got at 1:10, Fed President James Bullard is going to be speaking. You're going to get a lot of Fed speak over these next couple of days. Okay. All right. You're going to get a lot of that during the next couple of days. You got President Bullard speaks on Thursday, and then Friday is nuts. Fridays, you get non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate, average hourly earnings, labor force participation, ISM services index, factory orders, and you get not one, not two, not three, but 4 Fed members are going to be speaking. Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic speaks Friday at 11:15. Fed Governor Lisa Cook joins him at 11:15. Richmond Fed President Tom Barkin speaks at 12:15. And then Kansas City Fed President Esther George speaks at 1 o'clock. This market, don't be fooled by today's choppy action. This market is about to get wild. It's the biggest, longest consolidation that we have had. Disregard these tails. These prints are not real. But if you look at the market over the last 2.5 weeks, we have gone nowhere. The market has literally just gone sideways for the last 2.5 weeks. It's done nothing. But this channel, this range is about to be broken because all of these catalysts that are coming up, all this data is going to move this market out of this range. And then next week, you have the CPI data. You guys remember the last couple of times we had CPI data? If you forget, let me show you. Okay, there's 1, there's 2, there's 3. This is the last time, there's 4. These are the last times you've had CPI data. Do you see the size of these massive moves? We got to welcome Maria. Maria, welcome to the TTG family, Maria. Everybody, welcome Maria to the TTG family. Welcome Maria. Welcome Maria. Maria opted not to go with the two-pay system. But if you guys want the two-pay system, you go to ttgoffer.com. You enter the coupon code TTG8002. 7 laptops left. That's it for tonight. We are trying this out. The next 7 people that join us here today, you guys can start the entire platform, not limited access, the entire platform for just $800. Okay? That's it. Okay? You'll owe us $800 in 6 months. It is not an auto renew. It's not an auto pay. We will contact you for the 30 days prior, probably every day. You're gonna hear from us until we get you on the phone to make sure you want to do that. If you want to pay it earlier, we'll give you guys a huge discount. So if you want to pay it off, early, we won't charge the $800. Maybe we charge the $400. And instead of you paying $1,600 total, you pay $1,200. Right? That's if you want to do the two-pay system. Or if you want to just be one and done, you can just do one and done right now and save 40%. You can just go to ttgoffer.com and use the coupon code TTG121. You'll pay $1,307 and just be done. One-time payment, that's it. You're done for the whole year. All right? So those are your choices. You can pay $1,307 once for the whole year, be done, or pay $800 today and then $800 in 6 months. Or if you want to pay it off sooner than that, maybe we'll give it to you for, $400 or $500 for that second payment, right? We're willing to work with you guys. We're trying this out, seeing how it goes, seeing how it works, seeing if people like this two-pay system. So we're here to work with you. if you were ever thinking about joining True Trading Group, 2023 is going to be the year to take advantage of this craziness that's going to take place. I don't think this market's done going down. Be prepared for it. Be educated for it. Be ready for it. That's why it's the year of the active opportunist. Okay? So we're going to do this here tonight. 7 spots left. Again, ttgoffer.com, TTG8002. That's the 2-pay system. You join today for just $800. ttgoffer.com, coupon code TTG121. That's a one single pay, $1307. That's it. You're done for the whole year. All right. You will get the free laptop. We ship anywhere in the world. We cover the shipping. You don't have to enter your address when you join to get the laptop. You'll get a welcome email with instructions how to claim it. You get a free one-on-one mentor session with any one of the professional trading mods at True Trading Group, and they double your money back guarantee. You guys all get that. You can't make back your membership fee at least once. After going through our courses, passing the quizzes, and attending a study group, we'll give you back double your money, and you can keep the free laptop. That's a deal when you join True Trading Group. We've only had to give a refund to roughly 2.8%. Okay? Roughly 2.8%. Okay? So there you guys have it. Can somebody please tell me? Yeah, the laptop is free, Nick. Okay, we cover the shipping. All right, the laptop is free. All right. And the way it will work, Nick, is for your membership. So you'll pay so the 2-pay system, right? If you join today, you'll pay $800 to join, right? In 6 months, you'll owe us another $800 payment. If you want to pay that off sooner, you can, and we'll give you a discount if you want to pay it off sooner. So let's say Nick, let's say you make your membership fee back in like 2 months. And you're like, yo, guys, I love this platform. Screw it. I want to pay it off early. We're like, Nick, cool, man. Just give us $400. You're done for the year. So you paid us $1,200. If you can't make back $1,200, we'll give you back $2,400. So it's whatever you pay us. If you can't make that back, that is what we will give you back. Total your membership. So if you pay $800 today, and let's say you pay, $500 3 months from now, that means you paid us $1,300 total. So your double your money back guarantee will be based on the $1,300, the money that you have paid us. So if your membership goes by and you're like, guys, I never made $1,300 back, not even one time, then we'll give you back $2,600. That's how it works. So it's a double your money back. So whatever you pay us, if you can't make that back at least once during your membership, we're going to give you back double your money. That's how it works. Get it? Got it? Good. That's going to be ttgoffer.com, TTG8002. That's TTG8002. Okay? Okay, guys? So there you have it. Again, if you have any questions, 786-505-4049. All right? Again, you got to go through the courses, you got to pass the quizzes, and you got to attend one study group. We do study groups every Thursday. Attend one. All right? That's what you guys have to do in order to qualify for the double your money back guarantee. All right? All right, guys. So that's that consolidation. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. You look at the massive moves that have followed every CPI report, and you've gotten follow through on every single one. CPI report, follow through, CPI report, follow through, CPI report, follow through, CPI report, follow through. So once you get your other CPI report, I expect follow through. Okay. I don't know why we wouldn't. Okay. All right, guys. So that's it. There we have it. Anybody have any questions for me? Nick, I hope I answered your question. If does anybody else have any other questions, trading related questions, if you have questions about the membership, send a text message to 786-505-4049. How many people are still not members of True Trading Group? You're on this live stream and you're not a member, type TTG. Victor Shan says, wants to know what's the most anyone made in a single day? $947 quadrillion was what somebody made in a single day. I have absolutely no idea, Victor. Dude, that's such a silly question. I have no idea. And even if I told you someone made $1 million in one day, what does that mean to you? Seriously. I mean, how much money did that person start with? How much money are you starting with? I mean, it's so irrelevant what somebody else made. Just focus on you, brother. Paul, let's see. Kabiru. Yeah, guys, just type TTG if you are not a member of True Trading Group. Francisco. Johnny Gutierrez, man. I thought, Johnny, I got to tell you, when Adam and I came up with this two-pay system, I was like, Johnny Gutierrez is going to do this. Johnny Gutierrez is going to do this. $800, he's going to do this. I was hoping to call your name today, Johnny. I was, bro. I really was. One day, when I call your name, I'm going to do a backflip right here. I'm going to backflip right onto this thing up here, the shelf. We've got Mere Mortal is here. Garrick is here. Francisco. Kat wants to know what are some good dividend stocks that I like. I like healthcare stocks. I like the energy stocks. And I like the consumer staple stocks. Those are the ones that I'm pretty heavy in right now. But that's not going to stay that way.
Nick, sign up, bro. Come on. Enough, bro. 2 years. 2 years is too long. Sign up, brother. I got you. I'll give you free feet pics when you do it as well.
What happened? What did I miss?
Huh?
What did I miss? What happened?
Nick said that he's signing up. Oh, crap. He just sent me a text message.
Oh, nice. Oh, Nick G from the. Yeah. Oh, nice, Nick.
Hey,
oh, he just said in chat, I'm signing up with a exclamation point.
Hey, buddy, we're just talking about you.
That's really funny. That's really funny. Well, Nick, I look forward to trading with you, bro. I look forward to trading.
That's weird.
Yeah. As a lifetime member, do I get one-on-one mentoring sessions? Yes, you do.
Money is not the problem. I need more time. Well, hey, Johnny, if money's not the problem, you can sign up right now, pay $13.07. I'll freeze your account until you're able to take advantage of it. That way you could lock it in.
Yeah, we do allow you guys to freeze your account or pause your membership. But
it's on a case-by-case basis. Like we do it for military veterans or active military that get deployed.
Yeah. So we actually,
Johnny, in your case, if you needed to sign up tonight to lock in the price and then not start for another month or two, I got you.
Yeah.
How do you get more mentor sessions after your initial one is used? That is a great question. Mike and I are working on that. All right, we got to welcome David. David signed up for the full amount as well.
Excellent, David. Welcome to the family, Dave. Welcome to the family, brother. All right, so guys, we only have 6 laptops now left. The laptops were just 10. But we're allowing 10 people to join for. We were limiting it to 10 people for the two-pay system as we try it out. But David also grabbing the one-time payment, saving the extra $300, opting for just the one-time payment. So again, you guys have 2 choices. Whatever makes more sense for you. That's why we're doing this for you guys, right? We want to give you guys whatever's more flexible, and we want to give you the flexibility, whatever makes more sense for you. So you go to ttgoffer.com. There are 2 coupon codes. TTG121. That gets you you'll save 40%. The price drops at $13.07. You pay one payment and you're done for the whole year. The free laptop comes with it. The free one-on-one mentor session comes with it. And if you can't make back, $2,614, that's double what if you can't make back $1,307, which is your membership fee, if you can't make that back at least once, after going through the courses, passing the quizzes, and attending a study group, we'll give you back $2,614. That's double what you paid us. Okay, that's the deal when you join our platform, and you can keep the free laptop. The other option is you can do a 2-pay system. You'll go to ttgoffer.com. you'll use the coupon code TTG8002. You'll pay $800 today. You'll sign up. You will have full 100% complete access to the platform. 6 months from now, you'll owe us another $800. Okay? But if that's easier for people, if that works better for you right now, you guys can use TTG 8002. Same thing. You still get the free laptop, you'll get the one-on-one mentor session, and you'll get the double your money back guarantee. Okay, so you'll pay $800 and $800, that's $1,600 total. If you can't make back $1,600 at least once, we'll give you back $3,200. That's the deal when you join True Trading Group. We've only had to give a refund to 2.8% of our members since 2016. 78% of our members renew their membership. So based on those stats, I can very comfortably offer you double your money back because quite frankly, I don't think you're going to need it since considering we've only had to give it to 2.8% of our people. But it's there for peace of mind. And it's there for you to be able to hold us accountable, right? It's there for you to hold us accountable. I come up here, I tell you, hey, I think the platform that we've created can help you. I think it can help you reach your goals, right? Well, there's got to be some accountability behind that. And we put our money where our mouth is, and that's why we offer you guys that double your money back guarantee. But you have to go through the courses. You got to pass the quizzes. You got to attend one study group. You got to actually try. You got to give me some effort. If you want to reach your goals require effort. So you just do those things. If you can't make back your membership fee, we'll give you double your money back. You have any questions about the membership, or you're confused about the 2-pay system, or you're not sure what choice is best for you, send us a text message. We're happy to answer any questions you have. The phone number is at the bottom of the screen, 786-505-4049. Send us a text. Don't call it. It's a text-only phone number. Just send us a text, and we'll be happy to answer any questions that you guys have. Okay? Good question from Bald Eagle. Mike, with China opening up, why is crude oil down so much? Shouldn't we see oil going up? Oil is coming down because it's part of the recession fear. Yes, China reopening would see a surge in demand for oil. But if the global economy goes into a recession, it's a decrease in demand for oil. I don't think oil is going to go down all that much further, guys, to be honest with you. I mean, the U.S. has to refill the strategic oil reserves, which is at the lowest level it's been since like 1984 or something like that. So the U.S. is going to be buying oil at around $70 a barrel, anywhere between $70 and $80 a barrel. So the U.S. will be standing there buying up oil in that price range. But WTI is at the lowest level that it was since before the Russia invasion of Ukraine. And that's a great thing that oil has moved back to the downside because we needed it. And natural gas has moved back down to the downside as well. Huge, big time. We needed it because energy costs going into the winter could have been devastating for some families around the world, especially our friends over in Europe, where your heating bill is 10 times what it is here in the States. So to see the price of natural gas and the price of oil come down is a huge help for people. Instead of costing $100 to fill your tank, it's $75. And honestly, that $25 goes a long way when eggs are $8. Other things are still expensive. Food prices are still high, right? Services costs are still high. And getting some relief from the commodities.
Yo, Nick just signed up.
Getting help from the commodities has been really.
Oh, you can't pivot that thought. Nick just signed up.
Yeah, I heard you, man. Has been important for a lot of people. Welcome, Nick. Glad to see you have joined the group, Nick. Welcome to the family, brother. Welcome to the family. Everybody, welcome, Nick. Guys, we're down to 5 laptops now. Okay, we are down to now just 5. Again, you have 2 choices. TTGoffer.com, TTG121. 1307, one payment. You're done for the whole year. Free laptop, one-on-one mentor study session, double your money back guarantee. TTGoffer.com, coupon code TTG8002, 2-pay system. $800 today. Get started, have access to the entire platform, all of our courses, all of our tools. You'll owe us another $800 in 6 months. It's not an auto pay. We will contact you manually to process that payment. So you're not just going to get randomly charged one day, 6 months from now, and be like, oh no, and be totally shocked. It's not how we work in True Trading Group. We have an entire section of our staff. Their sole job is to communicate with all of our members that are up for a renewal to make sure you want to renew your membership. We have a 78% retention rate, which means 78% of our members renew their membership. But we don't ever want somebody to be shocked and surprised with a payment that they did not expect. So when your renewal is coming up, get ready to hear from our staff for 30 days leading up to your renewal. If your renewal is on March 1st, starting February 1st, we are going to email you. We are going to text you. We are going to call you every single day until you tell us, until you respond and say, yes, I want to renew my membership. Perfect. Your auto renew is set. You don't have to do anything. Your payment will be processed on your renewal date. Or, you know what, guys? I don't wish to renew my membership. No problem. Cancel. You are not charged. We don't play games in True Trading Group, guys. We only want people part of this program that want to be part of this program. Turns out that's 10,500 people from about 100 different countries around the world. You have two choices here today. There are 5 laptops left. Take advantage of it. All right. Maybe now let me actually show you guys what the platform looks like, so you guys get a feel for what the course is, what the tools, what everything looks like. All right. I think that's maybe a good idea.
Oh, and you reminded them that if they didn't want to do the 2-pay system, just use the coupon code TTG121.
Yes.
It'll be $13.07, and then tonight that price is going up. So every day the 1-pay price is going to go up.
Okay. Guys, everybody's got that? Everybody understands how this is working?
And then tell them again how they'll know that they could still get this later if they're watching it later.
Listen, guys, when you go to ttgoffer.com, if it accepts the coupon code, so whether you type in TTG121, if it accepts the coupon code and you see that laptop, that's how you know you're getting the laptop and you're getting that $13.07 price point. If you opt for the 2-pay system, when you enter the coupon code TTG8002, if it accepts the coupon code, it drops to 800. You see the laptop. That's how you know you're getting it. If the coupon code is invalid, then you know that there's no more spots left. Okay? Get it? Got it? Good. And then also, guys, don't forget, you've got the giveaway on Friday. Every annual member, anyone that joins the membership between today and Friday, you have a chance at winning $2,000 on Friday's live stream. Anyone that joins our trial has a chance at winning $1,000 this Friday. The trial is TTGTHREE.com. That's TTG3 spelled out.com. That's the trial. All right? Cool. Let me show you guys the platform. If you're on the live stream still and you're not interested in our membership at all, you guys can sign off now. But subscribe to the channel because we are a couple hundred members away from 100,000 subscribers. So make sure you guys smash that like button. Get us to that 100K. I want that gold plaque from YouTube.
Homie, it's a silver plaque.
Whatever, man.
No, it's not whatever. It's important to me.
That's not okay. It's silver, not gold. Sorry.
Somebody said thumbnail clickbait 100%. Your mom's clickbait, Bobby
Wait,
Boucher.
what was the thumbnail?
It was Jerome Powell riding an eagle.
Why is that clickbait? That's just a funny.
I thought it was hilarious.
Yeah, I think that's funny. Why is that That's not clickbait. Clickbait would be like if we said like Elon Musk arrested or something.
Right. Or like no, never mind.
Yeah, just let that one go, maybe.
Yeah.
Wherever your head's going, I know it's going in a bad place.
Victor. We got to welcome Victor.
Thank you, Victor, for breaking up that and allowing Adam to not end up with his foot in his mouth. So, Victor, welcome to the TTG family. Guys, only 4 spots left now. So, everybody, welcome Victor. Again, folks, you've got 2 choices. TTG121.
Oh, that's a good point. He goes dark ephedrine, Dark Ephedrine. That's really funny. That's a pretty clever username.
That is
Well, Dark Ephedrine states that it was clickbait because I saw it. It was funny, and I had to know what it was. Yeah. All right. Cool.
Yeah, all right. It was funny. Adam, listen, guys. Adam has a lot of fun with the thumbnails.
Yo, that was all Joe today.
Oh, way to go, Joe! Back end Joe, man.
Back end, back door. He's all about it.
Guy's been on fire. Back end Joe.
I literally sent him a message today. I was like, Jerome Powell. I was like, put a thumbnail together. Jerome Powell, American flag, Mike with a silly face. That's what he came back with.
I haven't even seen the thumbnail. I got to check it out. I got to see what it looks like.
Hang on, I'll pull it up real quick.
Let me see what it looks like. Everybody get a view at this clickbait thumbnail of ours. Let's see.
It was very good. Where is it? It is here.
I got to work on my posture.
You got to work on a lot of things on this live stream. I mean, honestly, but you're doing okay.
What do I have to work on?
So many things.
I love my background. That's a fantastic live stream. That's a fantastic thumbnail.
I thought that this was fantastic.
That is an amazing thumbnail.
How you could be upset at this thumbnail is so stupid. Like, you have to be such a prick.
Is that a firework? Is that a firework in the top left corner? Or is that
it sure is, bro.
Wow. So it's like the American Eagle dropped a bomb and there's fireworks going off at the same time. And Jerome Powell, what's in his hand? Is that a sword? That is a sword.
Yeah.
Epic, Joe. Absolutely epic. I mean, honestly,
how could you be upset at this?
They're probably Canadian.
You know what? That's a good point. Yeah. Canadian. There's no way that you saw this thumbnail and you're like, oh man, this is total clickbait. This is total clickbait.
Oh, these guys suck. No, you have to see that live. You have to see that thumbnail and be like, I would love to hang out with these guys.
Right. You see this thumbnail and you're like, damn, I wish there wasn't a monetary barrier to entry because these guys are probably people that I would hang out with in real life.
Yeah.
But instead,
that's how I look at
it. Somebody goes, they're probably Rich De Silva.
I just saw that, and I was gonna message you
that guy won't quit, man. He is every 1-star. Huh?
Stop. Don't give the attention or the time. Stop. I'm gonna show everybody the platform now. So everybody that's on this live stream that is like, these guys make amazing thumbnails. They're also pretty good at trading, but I'm mainly here for the thumbnails. I'm going to show you what the platform looks like.
Or we could just talk to you and leave this up here. See how many people we can get.
Imagine it just starts to go viral and everyone just comes to check out the thumbnail and there's like 50,000 people.
Go viral, dude. This is great. Whatever. I'll do the Renegade later or something for you guys. I don't care.
Just a great job, Joe. Honestly. And the sword's like behind his head. I mean, the depth.
Yeah, the and look at his arms. Like his arms and everything matches that old white man's body. Do you see that?
It's fantastic. And look at, he's like perfectly, his weight.
On the eagle. He is
his weight
literally on that
distributed.
Eagle.
It's amazing. It really is.
It honestly, I want that as a mouse pad.
I want that as a shirt. I want to go in public with that. We're getting out of hand here, guys. We're getting out of hand. Let me show you guys the platform. You've got the two choices to join tonight, right? But let me show you what you're actually going to be getting, because when you do join True Trading Group, whether you do the 2-pay system for $800 now, or you do the one-time payment, you get access to the entire platform. Okay. There are no upsells for courses. There are no upsells for tools. Even if you do the 2-pay system, you get access to the entire platform. You're going to get our chat room where the mods and I share our screen. We're live on the mic. We're calling out trades. We're providing market commentary all day. We're not just gone after the first hour or two. We're with you from pre-market all the way through to the market closes. Myself, 9 other professional traders. We're all with you. Okay. You can also use the mobile app. So if you guys are busy, the mobile app will let you see the screen share, listen to the audio commentary, and get real-time push notifications when the moderators enter and exit trades. So that way, when you're not in front of your computer, you can still follow along with what we're doing. We actually have a moderator. His name is Jason. We call him the Wolf. He solely trades from his cell phone. So if he can do it, you can do it. All right. We'll teach you how to do it. More like it. You're also going to get access to 2 private study group sessions, right? Your chance to speed up the learning curve. But you're also going to get access to the tools. Now, this is where real value comes in here, guys. You can get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed. That's included with your membership. You don't pay extra for it, but that's $1,000 if you go to Benzinga directly. You're also going to get Trading Views charting software. That's about $600 a year. It's included with your membership. You get the Trade Idea Scanner. That's a few $100 a year. It's included with your membership. You get ETNA Simulator, which would cost you just under $1,000 if you went to ETNA directly. It's included with your membership. This lets you trade stocks, options, crypto futures soon, but stocks and options right now. I think maybe like another 2 weeks or so, we'll be able to do crypto and futures on the simulator.
Correct.
Yeah, thanks. About 2 weeks, Adam, you said, right?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, but I didn't hear you at first because I was talking. I didn't hear exactly what you said when you first came on. So this is important, guys. Use the simulator so you can prove you can make money before you start risking your hard-earned cash. It's there for a reason. It is free with your membership. A lot of other programs charge you for a simulator. It is included with your membership. There's no upsells for these tools. They're all included. You also get our own proprietary scanner that you create your own custom scans. You get dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, stuff that is very expensive data. It's included with your membership. You also get a trading journal that will track your trades, break it down to the numbers so you can see what you're doing wrong. A social sentiment scanner will go through and tell you what ticker symbols are being mentioned most on social media so you can stay ahead of the crowd. You get analyst ratings on any stock. You'll know how many analysts have a buy, sell, or hold rating on a name. Whether there's been insider buying or insider selling, what the short data is, it's all included. Every day, the mods and I publish a watch list. The stocks we're looking at and the game plan on how we plan on trading them so you know exactly where to focus your attention each and every day. Then you get the courses. The courses are a simplified version of what I learned working at the fund in New York. There's beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto. It's all there. There are no upsells for courses. You don't join and then all of a sudden there's VIP courses that cost another $1,000. We don't play those games. Every single thing is included when you join here today, either the 2-pay system or the one-time payment. You also get a video library. The video library has 400 hours of workshops and webinars covering different topics, and you can attend them live once you become a full-time member. It's time you guys invested in something real, folks. Something that actually gives you real education, provides access to real tools. Something that I think can help you guys reach your goals, and I'll back it up with a double your money back guarantee. If you cannot make back your membership fee at least once during your membership, after going through our courses, passing the quizzes, and attending a study group, I'll give you back double your money. That's the deal. That is the deal. All right. And the next 4 people to join here today will get themselves a brand new free laptop. You don't have to enter your address to get the laptop. You'll get a welcome email after you join with instructions how to claim it. You'll get a free one-on-one mentor session with one of our moderators. And you'll get the double your money back guarantee. You have 2 choices on how to sign up. Choice number 1, one-time payment, be done. Go to ttgoffer.com, enter the code TTG121. You'll save 40%. The price is $13.07. That's it for the whole year. You never pay us another $1. You get the laptop, the one-on-one, and the double your money back guarantee and access to everything. Option 2, it's a 2-pay system. You'll enter coupon code TTG8002. You will pay $800 to join today. 6 months from now, you will owe us another $800. It is not an auto pay. We will be contacting you prior to the $800 payment to manually have to process that. If you want to pay off that second payment early, you can. TTG 8002. That's that coupon code. There are 4 spots left. How do you know you're one of them? If the coupon code is accepted, that's how you know you're getting the laptop and that to-pay system or the one-time payment discount, depending on which one you use. So if you enter the coupon code and it says invalid, then that means we've sold out of those spots.
Mohammed Kapadia says, why so desperate? That's because your mom has expensive taste, bro.
Adam, bro, come on.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's funny. It's a little funny though, right? A little bit.
Yeah, hey, listen, it's funny, but
oh no. Just there's only like 467 people on here. I thought it was hilarious. Jessica LOL'd. It's okay.
I hear you.
Look, Diane Fig says it is funny.
It is funny. It's just, it's funny, not professional, but funny. So Mohammed Kapadia, I have no response to your ridiculous comment. We have 10,500 members in over 100 different countries. I don't know. Whatever. Sure. You know what? Just for you, Mohammed, a membership is $5,000. There's no money back guarantee. There's no laptop, and no one's going to talk to you. You're totally by yourself, but it's $5,000 just for you. There. We're not desperate. Just for you, Mohammed, it's $5,000. Mohammed, you get your own coupon code, TTG
DOUCHE.
Just for you, it's 5,000. There, we are no longer
DOUCHE. We got to welcome Jerry.
Yes, Jerry, welcome to the family, Jerry. Thank God, Jerry, because I'm so desperate. Jerry, welcome to the family. There's now 3 spots left.
I'm desperate to pick up my McLaren after this live
stream. If Mohammed joins, it's going to be $5,000 for Mohammed, though. Everybody else, you have either 1307.
Yo, Jessica just said that's what you get for having an expensive mom, Mohammed.
Jessica, don't fuel him. So those of you guys that know, Jessica is actually behind the scenes with us right now in the production side. She has her camera off because Adam likes to throw her on the screen when she least expects it. So she's smartened up and she keeps her camera off. So Adam can't throw her on the screen.
I am not even throwing her on the screen. I don't know who's doing that, but no way. I think the Jerry that just signed up was a previous member a long time ago, maybe.
A previous member?
The name sounds really familiar, but I guess not. No.
Well, Jerry, welcome to the family, brother. I'm glad to have you part of the group. Guys, that means now we're down to just 3 spots. So again, you have 2 choices. Whatever works better for you financially. Everyone's in their own situations. One single pay, be done. TTGoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code, 1307 price point, laptop, one-on-one, double money back guarantee. Okay. 2-pay system, coupon code, TTG8002. $800 today, $800 in 6 months. Free laptop, one-on-one mentor session, double your money back guarantee. Get it? Got it? Good. If you have any questions at all, guys, send a text message to 786-505-4049. The phone number is right down there at the bottom of your screen. Okay? So 786-505-4049. Send us a text message of any questions about anything, about the membership, about the 2-pay system, about me, about the platform. You send us a text message. We'll answer any questions that you guys have. Don't be shy. Seriously, we're an open book. Thanks for joining us today, guys. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Smash that like button. Turn on your notifications. Don't miss these. I'll see you guys all in chat tomorrow. Have a wonderful evening. Take care, guys.
Mohammed, good night, son.